Hello friends, today we will learn construction vehicle names. Excavator. This is excavator. It is used for digging, moving and loading materials like soil, rock, etc. Bulldozer. This is bulldozer. It is used for pushing, digging and leveling materials like soil, sand, etc. Dump truck. This is dump truck. It is used to transport loose material in large capacities such as soil, gravel, etc. Road roller. This is road roller. It is used to compact and level various materials like soil, gravel, etc. Mixer truck. This is mixer truck. It is used to segregate the concrete by continuously rotating the mixing drum. Crane. This is crane. It is used to lift and place heavy objects from one place to another. Grader. This is grader. It is used for leveling surfaces in construction. Forklift. This is forklift. It is used for lifting and moving materials over short distances. Drill truck. This is drill truck. It is used to drill holes in the ground. Loader. This is loader. It is used for moving, loading and transporting materials. Cement mixer. This is cement mixer. It is used to combine cement, sand, gravel and water to create concrete. Trencher. This is trencher. It is used to dig trenches for laying cables or drainage system. Tunnel boring machine. This is tunnel boring machine. It is used to excavate tunnel. Black hole loader. This is black hole loader. They combine the function of a loader and a black hole. This allows them to dig, move materials and perform demolition. Do you know any other construction vehicle name? Please mention in comments. For more educational videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel Educational Videos _Kids. Thank you.